How does a single flute produce so many different sounds? We all speak in a similar manner, but why are all our voices different? Not only us, but all animals sound different too. Why do older people have deeper voices than children? Today we will find answers to all these questions. We are going to talk about sound, about its frequency and pitch. Let's play a game with a straw whistle. One whistle, many sounds. Flatten a straw at one end and cut it in the shape of a V, like a bird's beak. This is the way to make and blow the whistle. Now, let's blow the whistle with the help of scissors.
As the straw was cut, the sound kept changing.
As the length of straw changed, the sound changed. This is what happens in a flute as well. Different sounds are produced by opening and closing of the holes on the flute. Just like the straw whistle. Relation between the length of the straw and its sound. A long straw produces a deep sound. A short straw produces a shrill sound. So many different sounds. This property of sound is called pitch. What does it mean? Let's first understand frequency of sound. A game with a steel ruler, keeping in mind that sound is a vibration. Sound is being generated by the vibrating steel ruler, and as the length of the ruler changes, the sound changes too. If you observe carefully, you will see that the sound is changing with the speed of the vibrations. The speed of the vibrations is called frequency, and it is the number of vibrations per second. One vibration means when an object moves up and down and then returns to its original center position. This is the original position. Now the thread comes down and then goes up and returns to its original position. This is one complete vibration. This is one vibration completed in 1 second. Therefore, its frequency is 1 vibration per second. Here, there are 4 vibrations in 1 second. Therefore, the frequency is 4 vibrations per second. If the frequency changes, sound also changes. Higher the frequency, shriller the sound. High pitch. Lower the frequency, deeper the sound. Low pitch. This is also what happened with the straw whistle. Low frequency in the longer straw produced a deep sound, low pitch. Higher frequency in the shorter straw gave a shriller sound, high pitch. We can understand pitch with the help of a slinky. If we move it fast, the frequency is more. This means a shriller sound, a high-pitched sound. And if we push it slowly, the frequency is lower, which means a deeper sound, a low-pitched sound. Wherever there is sound, there is vibration. Pitch depends upon the frequency of vibrations. Pitch of a sound has a unit as well, and it is hertz. Every person has a different voice. The cry of every child is different. As we grow up, our voices change. The voices of men and women also differ as they grow older. Our voice depends upon our age and sex.
याशिवाय त्या काळातली भांडी कच्च्या विटा
Every time, the reason is the same. Different frequency, different pitch.
याशिवाय त्या
Have you
काळातली
understood?
कच्च्या
The
विटा
cries of babies are about 500 hertz, means 500 vibrations per second, high pitch. And the voice of a grown-up man is 85 to 155 vibrations per second, meaning low pitch.
कच्च्या विटा
With this understanding, let's have a look at sound frequency and pitch once more. The pitch of a sound depends upon the frequency of vibrations. Frequency means the number of vibrations in 1 second and its unit is hertz. Higher the frequency, shriller the sound, higher pitch. Lower the frequency, deeper the sound, lower pitch. And now think for yourself. Some thick and thin rubber bands have been wrapped around this box. When strummed, why are the sounds different? You make this toy yourself. Play it and think about why it produces different sounds.